John Van Leiden, New Zealand Sotheby's International, and welcome to 53A Wylie Road in Foxton Beach. Yes, it's only 2 hours from Wellington, 30 minutes from Palmerston North City in a thriving region. And here we have it. We're just a short stroll, of course, a bike ride or a short drive to the ocean beach, certainly to the boat club and golf club. But behind me, sublime villa. It is beautiful. That'd be the word I'd use. Double glazed. It's got timber that just comes to life, all natural and gorgeous. And when you walk inside, you'll get a feel for this like no other. And of course, we've got German kitchens, we've got stunning bathrooms, decor, 4 bedrooms, maybe 5 if you like. It's an office, we call it. But here it is. It's a lifestyle. You can live here and work here and just love life. Let's have a little wander through. I know you're going to love this one. How impressive is this entry foyer and a hallway with high ceilings, stunning timber both in floors and of course right to the doors and all the way through. Hey, this has got more and more and it flows from here. Look at the space, look at this kitchen area, a German kitchen by the way, and of course we have the pantry. It's a walk-in pantry. It's everything you'd want in a home that is new but it's old. In true villa style, the master bedroom is sizable, got the big bays and of course got the space that you'd want, the high ceilings, but the decor is beautiful. And of course a walk-in wardrobe you'll like and a master ensuite that is fitting for queens and kings. Well, the family bathroom with a claw bath. We need to see one of these in these beautiful character homes. Everything's fresh, everything's light, and everything's of high quality. We hope you've loved the property here at number 53 Wylie Road in Foxton Beach. I said it all along, sublime, high quality and impressive entry foyer. Michelle and I will be waiting for your call to show you a feel like no other. So call us anytime. We look forward to showing you through.